What is up, guys? It's your girl. So today I'm with my sister and we have, dang, it's dark, I gotta stay right here. So I'm here with my sister and so I saw this hack, I guess it's a cooking hack on Instagram, so we're gonna give it a try. But before I do that, I have to go get butter because she doesn't have butter, but luckily my sister lives literally across the street, my other sister. So I'm gonna go and get this butter. If you guys think I'm kidding, I mean literally across the street. So, I don't want the camera to get wet. Hold up, she, there she is. All for some butter. She said she'd meet me halfway. Content. Evidence. Thank you. You're welcome. Goodbye. Bye. You leaving? So I'm going back. Okay. My 5 minutes of fame is over. 5 minutes of fame is over. She walked more than halfway. Just saying. She walked way more than halfway. But we got the butter. Let's go. Oh Lord. My other sister's playing Lion King. I'm gonna get demonetized. So, I know this is gonna sound crazy, but it is a cinnamon roll pancake. We have to obviously open the cinnamon rolls. Then you have to like unravel it.
Make the mix first.
Oh yeah, you gotta make the mix first. As y'all can see, the last cooking video I made was an epic fail. I wonder why. Because she let me make the pizza. So it turned out terrible. It was hilarious. It took hours to eat that pizza and I couldn't even record any of it. Lost footage.
Is this mine?
You gotta record the process. By we, I mean me.
Okay.
And by we, I mean me recording, you do all the work.
Okay. And I don't follow a pancake version. I don't know if that matters.
Are you supposed to put an egg in it? It's not just add water?
It is just add water, but if you want to be basic and a hater for the rest of your life.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't want to be a basic hater.
That's right.
Hater cave.
Haters gonna hate and haters gonna cave. You want it as close to a cake as possible? This is what you do. You break every rule it says on the box. Never ask.
She's stirring it up. Oh, while we're doing this, Holly's also here. You know, while someone's working hard, I gotta be a slacker. I love you, Stinky. Aw, look at her. She looks so cute. But I'm gonna just show you Butters just because I'm a hater like that. Hey, Butters. She's sleeping. Oh, Princess got scared. Sorry, Princess. I scared her. That's Mars. I think that's the first time I've ever seen him out. But I showed you the most important one, Butters. She got the most screen time, of course.
You tell them how you don't love all those things.
Of course, I said Butters is my favorite. Very precious.
Because she's albino.
They don't let her play all the reindeer games.
That's right. Peter's gonna get me.
No, they're gonna get me. They see the dog in the crate and okay, well I don't know how to work. I don't know how to work your oven.
It's fine here.
Whatever it is. I don't.
You don't oven, you got it.
Yeah. It's all the same, I think. You wanna get me demonetized?
Alright, get your thing ready.
Okay, I always get scared doing this.
Feeling brave?
Yeah. I feel that as an adult. It feel right.
Don't run now.
Just in case, you know.
Just in case.
I like to be safe. And that's exactly why I did it. Dang it, I got the wrong one.
You gotta try to succeed. You gotta
There it is.
play, Caitlin. So they're just tiny though, so I might want to put two together. So you need a chip and roll it up like Play-Doh.
Are you sure that's gonna be too big?
Never.
Okay.
Alright, let's do this.
So you put it in like a spiral, as Simone does as such.
Naturally.
As you can see, they didn't really come like they normally do, so we're struggling.
Can't pick up the mini one.
We're making it. Well, it came in like a 2 for $5, okay? So I got.
Okay, we're not. Okay, I appreciate a bargain, Betty. Okay.
That looks so good, bro. Oh, the battery's about to die. Well, you know what that means, guys. I'm gonna cook the rest and show y'all the final result, I guess. Oh wait, I brought the second battery, so maybe I can finesse it a little bit. We'll see.
Here.
Sure is.
Alright, I'm gonna do the little one now. How about that?
Yeah, because Caitlin can't flip, so. I'm mad how the one you did just came apart. Whatever.
Yeah, it looks almost like Mickey Mouse.
This is even it's either too big or too small.
Yep. Yep. Just go get to me a schmecker. Oh, where's my phone protector? Gonna make it rain. Nobody's gonna talk properly.
That's before, but I sure am now.
Music score, the best movie ever. You can never recycle yours, no recycle yours.
Yeah, Bray told me to buy hers. Now it's official, guys. Top Chef.
Oh, the world is waiting for you. And for the and the old red, white, and blue. Get it done from under. Oh. From under.
Oh.
Sorry.
See, that's a little hard.
Yeah, that one was good.
What you trying to say? When you did something good?
Don't. Don't. Once you have to do
Leave a comment. Leave a comment.
we should have put them on different plates. Now you just gonna lie and say that one was yours.
Look at this little white skin one you got. Okay.
Good.
Okay, whatever. Hey, pop off, whatever.
Haters gonna hate. And haters gonna cake.
That song's trademarked, by the way.
Stop playing at school too.
Oh my god, I tried to cut that meat, but it's a lot.
So take your cry baby butt on somewhere. This one looks like the yin yang symbol.
That one looks good. I want that one.
That one? Alright, I'm gonna put that on the last plate.
Yeah!
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cook up the rest of the batter.
Okay. This isn't a good angle, but you guys got the icing. Dang it, I should put butter on it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I've never had cold syrup.
I do. Some people like it hot, but for what? My butter's not hot.
I like cold syrup.
You do?
Yeah, when you go to IHOP, you ask for warm syrup.
No, I don't. I just eat the room temperature one.
Bro, that looks so good. You put the icing on it, and then you put some syrup. Look at that. It's like dripping off the side. Oh! This is the moment of truth, guys. I'm eating without fun because I'm selfish like that. First bite, Mom. This is so good, bro.